Hey guys, day 2 of lowering kit. Oh, what we gotta do first is, well, let's show you this. Okay, I got the rear end set up. I'm gonna wire wheel it first, get it all cleaned up nice. But just back around. But I gotta get this. I gotta get this off of this rear end, so I have everything. But yeah, that's the first thing we're gonna do. We're gonna get this taken off, and then go over here to welder. Now I'm hoping that doesn't look right. I was hoping not to disturb the brakes, but that rear end, the proportional valve is over, so I might have to do some brake work. I hope maybe I could just take the lines and the drums off of this one and put it on that other one. We'll have to see. Might just have to drill another hole and tap it so it'll work right. Alright, we'll be back. Okay, so we're done with the wire wheel, and I just want to knock all the stuff off where I'm going to weld. So now I got to go back with the flap disc and smooth everything out and make it all nice and pretty. And but you can see, let's see, that's going to be towards front, so the short side goes towards front. Then I have to do a little manipulating there. Get that sit down in there. Huh? Yep, see, there it goes. That's the way it should look, and I'm going to weld it right here and on this back side too, right where it sits. And I'll probably see if I can get it welded up in here too. So that's what we're doing today. Now I'll get this in. Hopefully I can get brakes and stuff on it too. If not, at least I can get it sitting in there and back on the tires, and I can work on it later. Alright, that's where we're at. We're gonna go with the flap disc next. Okay, we're back and we got everything set up to go ahead and start welding. Put this around, and I got my flux core welder, and I got this all cleaned up, looking pretty. And I'm just gonna have to deal with that gap. I can't get it down in there any further, and I really don't want to grind that too much more, because, well, I don't want to have it screwed up. But I think I might want to grind the top of that just a little more, maybe clean out that pocket a little bit. Boxer, he looks like he's about dead. But anyway, that's what we're going to do now. We're going to start welding this. This side over here looks pretty good. It's pretty tight. So I might give this just a little more love. Yep, I think I'm going to. And we're back. Well, the old Harbor Freight welder went kaput, so I had to run and get myself a new welder. And let's see, ground. This is what I bought. It'll do flux and gas over, MIG. Now here's the problem. I went to air gas, and there's some kind of bottle shortage, so they wouldn't sell me an argon bottle. I have to set up an account, and they'll rent me one for $88 a year, but I can't just go buy a bottle of argon anyway. So I'll just keep doing this flex core. Hopefully this one will work a lot better, because that one that other one, I mean, I had it for 3 years. I've used the shit out of it. So it was time for it to go. I paid what, 89 bucks for it on sale. It's been a good decent little welder for 89 bucks. Now this one I bought here, well, it was a little more, but it's a Lincoln, so it should last for a while, right? Hopefully. So anyway, we'll get this set up and see how it welds. All right, later guys. Hey, it's the end of the day, guys. It's been a lot of cussing and whatnot. Hadn't been a good day, but I got it as close as I can get it right now. Everything's bolted in there. It's all loose, but it's sitting down on the ground again. What do y'all think? Let's see here. Carolina squat. Call it Carolina Reaper. No, not even close. After I get off night shift, I'll do the front. But I love how low this is right now. Let's get the tape measure out. Well, I want to say it was, what, 31 inches? And we're kind of Carolina squatted here, so it's going to be a little different. But it looks like we're down to 26 and a half. So it wasn't quite 6 inches. It's more like 5. Yeah, about 5 inches is what the drop was. So it ain't bad. I love the way it's sitting there. The tires are tucked up underneath there. So it's about, they say it's a 6, but to me that looks like it's about 5 and a half. 5 and a half, something like that. So like I said, after I get off night shift, I'll get the front done. And I'll finish up the back. I just need a couple things. Then I do the brakes on it and get the shocks hooked up. But fill the new rear end, all that good stuff. So I'll get that done. Probably the next couple weeks, the truck will be ready to rock and roll. All right, later guys. You have a good one.